Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Memorial Day weekend. I want to send a special thank you to all the veterans out there, the ones that are still serving, the ones that have given their lives for our freedoms and this country. Thank you. So today we're going to be installing something that I honestly believe that I don't understand why most people don't do it, but it's the Hurst shifter handle. It just adds another level of passion to the car, in my opinion. It looks great. It's got that appeal of like older style. So first thing you want to do is gingerly pry up on this thing. And I might have the wrong. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and start by removing these clips here. That's loose. We'll remove this plug in here. Alright, just so I can see this clip better to take it off, I'm just going to remove the shifter first. Oh, that's why. The clip to unplug it was broken. That's why. Okay, now that that's off, I'm going to get this out of there and undo these clips here. Alright, I had to get a bigger screwdriver and pull this thing through this way. And now, feed this back in here, through that loop. There's a couple clips there. Need to pry that off to get this off of there. Alright, there's those. Now, people, you just got to plug it back in, tuck it underneath there. I've already removed these two screws for ease accents. Alright, well, that was making me mad, so I just ended up removing everything. I don't know how people do this so easily. I like to make things very difficult on me and the viewers. You're welcome. And this will just look like pretty much every other Hurst install. It's just, you know, I'm doing it instead of them. So you're welcome. So we're going to do something that pretty much everybody does. So tie a microfiber there. That way you don't have any rattling and it doesn't damage the shifter knob. But we are going to do something a little bit different than most. A lot of people will just tuck this down in here and be done with it. What I would actually like to do is I'm going to Dremel a slot here for this wire to go down, fit down into. And that way it's not going to be holding up anything. Boy, that actually, it feels like really soft plastic too. So there's my little mark I made to Dremel that out. Alright, sorry about the darkness. I needed the plug-in for my Dremel. Because let's face it, this is more important than light. So guys, being an amateur, I hit stop, and then instead of hitting play, I hit something else, so I didn't get to videotape the set screw. But once the set screw is in, this just snaps into place, and then you can start reassembling all your plastics and stuff. Like so. And there it is. New at this, so there's a lot of stupidity. But you can always leave the comments and let me hate on it. If anybody knows, as I am new, if you know how to do a full video and then fast forward through parts, let me know. I need help. Alright, like, follow, subscribe. Thanks, guys.